Hi students, let's see exercise 3.6, question number 1. I'll read the question once. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. I'll read the equations once. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals 13 by 6. First, what you want to do? We have to reduce it into a linear equations. Ready? That means we'll write first, let 1 by x equals u and 1 by y equals v. See what we are doing? First we'll write let 1 by x equals u and 1 by y equals v. Ready? That means what we'll do? This 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals 2. This implies, in place of 1 by x, what you can write? U. That means u by, see 1 by x means u. After that divide by 2. Ready? After that plus, see 1 by y. In place of 1 by y, what you can write? V. That means v by 3 equals 2. This is equation number 1. After that, second equation, what is that? 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals 13 by 6 implies, what will happen? In place of 1 by x, what you will write? U, isn't it? That means u by 3 plus v by, see 1 by y means v and divide by 2 equals, what you will get here? 13 by 6. Ready? This is equation number 2. Now we will solve it. Of course, we can use any method, that is up to us. Here we are going to use equating the coefficients. Ready? See here u by 2, v by 3. Any one of this u or v, we will make it into equal. That is what will happen. Here is 2, here is 3. So 2 and 3 means if you are taking the LCM of 2 and 3, what you will get? 2 3s are 6. That means what you will do means equation 1 into 1 by 3 implies, what I am going to do means in this first equation we will multiply with 1 by 3. That means what will happen? 1 by 3 into the entire equation 1. What is that? U by 2 plus v by 3 equals 2. Ready? What we are doing? The first equation will multiply with 1 by 3. This implies, say 1 by 3 into u by 2. What you will get? 1 into u divided by 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. After that again 1 by 3 into v by 3. That means what you will get? Plus 1 into v. After that 3 into 3, 9. Ready? Equals, again say 1 by 3 into 2. What you will get? 2 by 3. This is equation number 3. Ready? After that equation 2 into, here we are multiplying 1 by 3. Here what you will multiply? 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2 implies, that means 1 by 2 into the second entire equation. What is that? U by 3 plus v by 2 equals 13 by 6 implies, we'll open it now, 1 by 2 into u by 3. That means what you'll get? U by 2 3s are 6 plus again 1 by 2 into v by 2. So 1 into v, 2 into 2, 4. That means v by 4 equals. Now 1 by 2 into 13 by 6. That means 1 into 13 divided by 2 into 6, 12. That is equation number 4. Ready? Now what you will do means, to remove this u, what you will do? We will subtract equation 3 from 4. That is subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. This implies, first we will write the fourth equation. What is the fourth equation? U by 6 plus V by 4 equals 13 by 12. This is the fourth equation. After that, third equation. What is the third equation? U by 6 plus V by 9 equals 2 by 3. Now we have to subtract. This is the third equation. Subtracting time, minusing time, this plus become minus, and here also become minus, isn't it? That means what you'll get? U by 6 minus U by 6. What you'll do? Will cancel. Ready? After that, V by 4, see, minus V by 9. See, V by 4 minus V by 9 equals 13 by 12 minus 2 by 3. See now, therefore, now what you will do? V by 4 minus V by 9. So we will go for the LCM. So 4 nines are 36. So 36 will be the LCM. So we are taking 4 and 9. So we are taking 4 nines are 36. Now this 9 will multiply to here. That means V into 9. 9V. Minus this 4 will multiply to here. That means 4 into V. 4V. Equals, here we are going to take LCM. 12 and 3. See, 12 and 3. That means we are going to take the LCM. So we will take by 2. 2 6 are 12. 3 will bring down. Again by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 will bring down. Now by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are. Isn't it? That means LCM equals, what you will do? LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Ready? That means our LCM is 12. After that, here already 12, so no need to multiply anything. Directly you will write 13. 13 minus. Here the denominator is 3, but our LCM is 12. That means 3 into how much you will get 12? 3 4s are. That means that 4 will multiply to the numerator. Otherwise, 12 divided by this denominator is 3. When you cancel here by 3, we are going to get 4. That means that 4 we have to multiply in the numerator. That means 2 into 4. Ready? This implies 9V minus 4V. 9V minus 4V. 9 minus 4. 5. That means 5V divided by 36 equals 13 minus 2 4s are 8. Divided by 12. Ready? This implies 5V divided by 36 equals 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. Divided by 12. Now, both numerators we will cancel 5, 5. Denominator we will cancel by 12. 12 3s are 36. 12 1s are 12. That means we are getting here, this implies V by 3 equals 1. Therefore, V equals, the 3 goes next side will multiply. That means 3 into 1, 3. That means V equals 3. We got the value of V, that is 3. So what we will do means substitute the value of V in equation 1. See the first equation. First equation is U by 2. See, U by 2 plus V by 3 equals 2. That means U by 2 plus, in place of V, what you will write? 3. That means 3 by 3 equals 2. Ready? Now 3 will cancel, we will get only 1. That means U by 2 plus 1 equals 2. This implies U by 2 equals, 2 is already here, 1 goes next side, plus 1 goes next side, minus 1. That means we will get 2 minus 1, 1. That is u by 2 equals 1. Therefore, u equal 2 goes next side, will multiply. That means 2. Ready? That means now we got the value of u and v. Ready? That means now u equals 2. But we know that u means 1 by x. So in place of u, will write 1 by x equals 2. This implies 1 by x equals 2 means you can write 2 by 1. See, let's cross multiply now. That means 2 into x. See, 2 into x equals 1 into 1, 1. Therefore, x equals 1 by 2. 2 goes next side, will divide, isn't it? So, x equals 1 by 2. Now, let's see. What is the value of v? v equals 3. But we know that v means 1 by y. So 1 by y equals 3. 3 means you can write 3 by 1. Now let's cross multiply. That means y into 3 equals 1 into 1, 1. Therefore y equals 1 by 3. This we got it. X equals 1 by 2 and y equals 1 by 3. Second question I will read once. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals minus 1. Ready? So we'll write let 1 by root x equals u and 1 by root y equals v. Therefore, what will happen? 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals 2 implies, see, in place of 1 by root x, we will write u, isn't it? That means what you will get? 2u plus 3v equals 2. Ready? Say 2 by root x. That means we will write 2u plus 3 by root y, will write 3v equals 2. This is equation number 1. After that, what is the second one? 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals minus 1 implies. Ready? What will do? 1 by root x means u. That means 4u. What is the sign here? Minus 9v equals minus 1. This is second equation. Now we will solve it by equating the coefficients. See, here we are getting 2u, here is 4u. So to make here 4u, what do you have to multiply here? 2, isn't it? Because 4u we already have here in the second equation, but the first equation we have only 2u. So we will make the coefficients are equal. That means equation 1 into 2 implies. That means what will happen? 2 into 2u plus 3v equals 2. That is the first equation. Implies, say 2 into 2u, that is 4u. After that 2 into 3 plus 3 2s are 6v equals, now 2 into 2, 4. This is the third equation. Ready? Now what you will do means subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. That implies, what is the third equation? 4u plus 6v equals 4. That is the third equation. After that, second equation, what is that? 4u minus 9v equals minus 1. This is the second equation. I hope you can understand. See, what we are going to do means we are making the coefficients are equal. See, here is 2u, here we got 4u. So to make it 4u here, we are multiplying to the first equation with the 2. That time we got it 4u plus 6v equals 4. After that, subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. That means 3 equation. The third equation will write first. After that, the second equation will write. Ready? Minus, subtracting. When you subtract, what will happen? Here become minus. This minus become plus and minus become plus. Careful. When you subtract, All the plus become minus, minus become plus. Ready? Now 4u minus 4u will cancel. After that 6v plus 9v. 6v plus 9v means 6 plus 9. That is 15v equals 4 plus 1 plus 1. It's not minus 1 now. 4 plus 1. That means 5. Both sides we can cancel by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. That means we are getting 3v equals 1. Therefore, v equals 3 goes next side, will divide, isn't it? That means 1 by 3. Ready? Now what you will do? This value will put in the first equation. So, substitute the value of v in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. What is the first equation? See, 2u plus 3 into, in place of v, what you will write? In place of v will write 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equals 2. See, the value of v we are putting into the first equation. So now 3 will cancel. That implies 2u plus 1 equals 2. Therefore 2u equals 2 is already here. Now see, 1 goes next side, plus 1 goes next side, minus 1. That means 2 minus 1, that is 1. That means 2u equals 1. Therefore u equals, what will happen? 2 goes next side, will divide, isn't it? That means 1 by 2. See, now we got the value of u is 1 by 2 and v is 1 by 3. But we know that u is 1 by root x equals 1 by 2. Ready? Now what you will do? We will cross multiply. That means root x into 1. Root x equals 2 into 1, 2. Now what you will do? To remove this root, we will square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What will happen? Root x the whole square equals 2 square. Root and square will cancel. That means x equal 2 square is 4. We got the value of x. Same style. This implies, what is the value of v? V is 1 by root y equals 1 by 3. Let's cross multiply. See, when you cross multiply, you will get root y equals 3. So to remove the root, what you will do? Squaring. Squaring on both sides. That implies root y the whole square equals 3 square. Root and square will cancel. That implies y equals square of 3, 9. That means the value of x is 4 and y is 9. Let's see the next question. I will read the third equation. Let's solve it that. See, third one. 4 by x plus 3y equals 14. 3 by x minus 4y equals 23. See, here we will take let 1 by x equals u. Ready? That means what will happen? 4 by x plus 3y equals 14 implies, in place of 1 by x, what you will write? U. That means 4u, see, 4u plus 3y equals 14. This is equation number 1. After that, second one, what is that? 3 by x minus 4y equals 23 implies, in place of 1 by x, what you will put? U. That means this will be 3u. So we will get 3u minus 4y equals 23. That is equation number 2. Ready? Now equating the coefficients. Any one of this. Say 4, 3. Here is 3, 4. So just we'll make it into 12. That means equation 1 into 3 will multiply here. 3 implies. And here what you will do? Equation 2 into 4 will multiply. Here we will multiply 3 and here we will multiply 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Ready? That means what will happen here? 3 bracket 4u plus 3y equals 14 implies, all the place we are multiplying with the 3. That means 3 into 4. 12. 12u plus, now 3 into 3, 9y equals 3 into 14, that is 42. Ready? Now next one, 4. 4 into the second equation, what is that? 3u minus 4y equals 23 implies. See, 4 3s are 12. That means 12u minus 4 into 4, 16y equals 4 into 23, that is 92. See, this is equation number 3 and this one is equation number 4. Now what will do? We'll subtract. That means we'll write subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. This implies the fourth equation we'll write first. That means 12u minus 16y equals 92. That is the fourth equation. And third equation is 12u plus 9y equals 42. That is the third equation. Minusing, subtracting means here become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus when you subtract. Ready? Now 12u minus 12u will cancel. Now minus 16y minus 9y, minus into minus plus, that means 16 plus 9. Yes, how much? 25y, but of course it should be minus 25y equals 92 minus 42, that is 50. Ready? Both sides I will cancel by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. That means we will get, this implies minus y equals 2. Therefore, y equals minus 2. See now, the value of y we will put in the first question part. Means this one we will keep as equation number A, this as equation number B, because we can do direct. Ready? That means from the first equation I am keeping here as A, equation A, and this as equation B. That means what you will do? Put y equals minus 2 in equation A. Therefore, equation A implies, what is the first equation? See, not this one, I am putting here itself. Because if you put here the value of y, we will get direct the value of x. Ready? That is 4 by x plus 3 into y. Y means what you will write? Y is minus 2. Minus 2 equals 14. Ready? This implies 4 by x, see, plus into minus, minus, 3 twos are 6, equals 14. Therefore, 4 by x equals 14, 6 goes next side, minus 6 goes next side, plus 6, that means 20. Ready? That means we got it now, 4 by x equals 20. So both sides we can cancel by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. That means we are getting here 1 by x equals 5. 5 means you can write 5 by 1. That implies, see, cross multiplying, x into 5 equals 1. Therefore, x equals, what will happen? This 5 will go to the next side, isn't it? That means 1 by 5. So we got the value of x as 1 by 5 and the value of y is minus 2. Ready? See the fourth one, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals 1. Ready? What will do means let 1 by x minus 1 equals u and 1 by y minus 2 equals v. Ready? That means this implies, that means what you will do? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals 2 implies. See, in place of 1 by, in place of this 1 by x minus 1, what you will write? U. That means 5. This will be 5u because 5 is here. Plus 1 by y minus 2, what you will write? V equals 2. This is equation number 1. After that, second one, what you will do? 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals 1 implies, see, this what you will do? 6, 1 by x minus 1 is u. That means 6u. What is the sign here? Minus 3. What do you write? 3v equals 1. This is equation number 2. Ready? Now what you will do? See, we will make equating the coefficients. That means here is v, here is minus 3v. That means equation 1 into 3 implies the first equation we are multiplying throughout by 3, then the coefficient of v become 3v. Then it will be easy for to solve it. That means 3 into 5u plus v equals 2 implies, see, 5 into 3 or 3 into 5, 15u. Again, 3 into v, that is plus 3v equals 3 into 2, that is 6. This is equation number 3. Now what you will do means adding equation 2 and 3. Because if you add equation 2 and 3, this 3v will cancel. That means 2 and 3 will add it. That means 6u minus 3v equals 1. And the next one is 15u plus 3v equals 6. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Adding plus. When you add it, what will happen? See, minus 3v plus 3v will cancel. Now 6u plus 15u, that means 21u equals 6 plus 1, that is 7. Both sides we can cancel by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. That means what you will get? That means we will get 3u equals 1. Therefore, u equals 1 by 3. Ready? After that, what you will do? Put u equals 1 by 3 in equation 1. See the first equation. What is that? Therefore, equation 1 implies, see, 5u plus v equals 2. That is the first equation. In place of u, we will put 1 by 3. That means 5 into u means 1 by 3 plus v equals 2. Ready? This implies 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus v equals 2. Therefore, v equals 2 is already here. 5 by 3 goes next side, minus 5 by 3 equals, LCM will take 3. Now this will multiply, isn't it? So 3 2s are 6 minus 5 equals 1 by 3. We got now u equals 1 by 3 and v equals 1 by 3. Ready? Now what is the value of u? U is 1 by x minus 1 equals 1 by 3. Let's cross multiply. That means, see, x minus 1 equals 3. That means this implies x equals 3 minus 1 goes next side, plus 1 equals 4. That means x equals 4. Now, see, what is the value of v? V is 1 by y minus 2 equals 1 by 3. Let's cross multiply. That means these two. What you will get? Y minus 2 equals 3. Therefore, y equals 3 is already here. Minus 2 goes next side. Plus 2 equals 5. That means x equals 4 and y equals 5. Ready? So what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next video.